Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you link your Google Authenticator with Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into top left corner. Simply tap there, and after that select your profile. I'm selecting my profile here, and after that go to security. Select security, and then you will get this option of Google Authenticator. Simply select Google Authenticator, and then you will get this page. Now into here it says Link Google Authenticator. Now first of all you have to download the app from the store and then tap to next button. Then you will get this QR code, and this code right here. You can choose any of the two options. By scanning the QR code from Google Authenticator, you will get a code, and if you put this code by copying it into your Google Authenticator, it is also gonna give you the code. And whichever code you got by whichever method using, you will get the code, and you have to enter that code into this last box. And after adding the correct code and tap to next button, your Bitget account will be successfully connected to Google Authenticator. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.